Namaste everyone, this is Sandeep and welcome to my channel Only Study by Sandeep Dhiman. Our today's topic is changing of degrees of comparisons. Okay, today we'll learn how to change the degrees of comparisons. Let's start. So first of all, let's recapitulate. We had discussed in our previous class about the definition of comparison. Then after degrees of comparisons, I had told you there are 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. Then after we had discussed them one by one. Positive just used to describe one person. Okay, it just tells something about a person. But comparative degree compares two things. Okay, and superlative tells uh, about the super one. Okay, the best one in a group. Okay, more than two, it is used when we are comparing more than two things or persons, right? Then after we had discussed some examples. Then after I had told you about syllables. This is very important. Without it it won't be easy to learn degrees, changing the degrees. Okay, so look here. A word or part of a word which contains one vowel sound, that is called syllable. Okay, like snap, it has one syllable. Silt, one syllable. Easy, two syllables here. Easy has two syllables. E and Z, two times E sound. Okay, cat, one syllable. Dog, one syllable. Car, one syllable. Sky, one syllable. Okay, and here two syllables. Hotel, H-O, O, the sound of O and A. Okay, so this is two syllable word. Again, poem. Okay, poem. Chorus, O and A. Okay, then after three words or more than three words. Important, America. Okay, four word, three syllable, four syllables. Okay, I hope you got about syllables. Okay, now then after we had discussed with one syllable words, we use er and est. If they are ending in e, then we just add e or st. If it is ending in by, then we drop by and add ier in the last. Okay, then after I had told you, if there is consonant plus vowel plus consonant, then we double the last word. Okay, last word of the positive degree. Okay, when we make it comparative or superlative, right? Here are the examples. Then after for two or more than two syllable words, we use more and most to make comparative and superlative degree. I hope up to here everything is clear to you. Then after exceptions, I had told you these you need to memorize: good, better, best, bad, worst, far, further, farthest, many, much, more, most, little, few, less, least. Okay, now here we have, look here, one word syllables, comparisons of adjectives. Now look here, if vowel plus consonant, look here, a plus s, then we simply add er and est, right? Fast, faster, fastest, small, smaller, smallest, tall, taller, tallest, short, shorter, shortest, weak, weaker, weakest, long, longer, longest, slow, slower, slowest. Okay, up to here I think everything is clear to you. Then after, if one syllable word is ending in e, like here, fine, large, nice, wide, wise, then we simply add r and est. Okay, large, larger, largest, fine, finer, finest, nice, nicer, nicest, wide, wider, widest, wise, wiser, wisest. If there is one vowel plus one consonant like here, then we double the last word of positive degree. Then we make it comparative and superlative. Hot, hotter, hottest, thin, thinner, thinnest, big, big, bigger, biggest, wet, wetter, wettest, fat, fatter, fattest, flat, flatter, flattest, fit, fitter, fittest. Okay, I hope you got all these things. Now here is about two syllable words. Okay, in a word, if there are two syllables, then when we treat them as this and when as these. Okay, look here. If the word is two syllable word and it is not ending in by, o, w, l, e or er, then we use more or less. Okay, here only examples of more, not of less. Polite, more polite or less polite, most polite or least polite. Okay, helpful, more helpful, most helpful, useful, more useful, most useful, obscure, more obscure, most obscure. Okay, if they are, memorize this, if they are not ending in y, o, w, l, e or er, then we use more, most. Otherwise we treat them as one word syllables, as we were doing in one word syllable, right? I hope you got all my points. Now, three word syllables. If the word is three word syllable, then we use more, most or less, least. Okay, interesting, more interesting, comfortable, more comfortable, beautiful, more beautiful. In the same way, most, you need to add more and most only. Okay, I have put than here because when we compare this, then we use than. Okay, and here the in superlative degree. Then after exceptions, good, better, best, we have already done this. I hope everything is clear to you up to here. Now make these, change them. Positive I have given you. Beautiful, think, pause the video, think, answer yourself, then after play the video and listen to my answer. Okay, beautiful, more beautiful, big, bigger, double G, black, blacker, er, bright, brighter, clean, cleaner, clean, cleaner, cleanest, bright, brighter, brightest, black, blacker, blackest, clever, cleverer, cleverest, more confused, most confused, difficult, more difficult, most difficult, dirty, dirtier, dirtiest, drop by, add ier, iest, right? Fascinating, more fascinating, most fascinating, famous, more famous, most famous, far, farther, farthest, fast, faster, fastest, fat, fatter, double T, fatter, fattest, fits, fitser, fitsest, late, later, latest, old, older, oldest, poor, poorer, poorest, proud, prouder, proudest, quiet, quieter, quietest, sharp, sharper, sharpest, short, shorter, shortest, slow, slower, slowest, small, smaller, smallest, strange, stranger, strangest, strong, stronger, strongest, tall, taller, tallest, thin, thinner, thinnest, double N, ugly, uglier, drop by, add ier, weak, weaker, weakest, wise, wiser, wisest, young, younger, youngest. I hope you enjoyed this, you learned all the things. And now here is homework for you. Write and learn the topic, improve your reading and writing skill, test yourself, keep revising, keep reading. Okay, Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.